Hello, my name is McGuire Flanagan, and I will be graduating from New Berlin West and earn my work credits from GPSED this June. I feel more comfortable with using the resources given to me by my teachers to help me understand the lessons I'm required to do. This has helped me with moving ahead in my schoolwork. I was giving more help than normally I would get in my high school. Thanks to all this, I have a better chance of succeeding in the future. I am proud of the fact that I managed to be on time and I was able to get ahead of my assignments. Having accomplished this, skills have made me better with my time. Management made me less lazy and more disciplined in my daily tasks. This has given me a chance to get raises and better positions in my current job. Something that makes me different from regular high school student is I have more time to myself, therefore I've less stressed and overwhelmed in general, along with having a more personal time. I have more motivation to grow as a person. Hopefully in the next year I will be working for the U.S. Postal Service by having a position as a mail carrier or driver. It will put me in a financially stable position to support my living habits and personal needs. Hopefully I can get my own place to live in and at some point move out of this country, expanding my horizons and opportunities and experiences. I would like to thank both Pierre and Rocio who have helped me succeed this school year. Thanks to these people, I have managed to graduate high school with lots of general work experience and truthfully improving my chance of being hired at the U.S. Postal Service instead of a dead-end job. I finally would like to thank Mr. Schuler for telling me about this program. Without this opportunity, I probably wouldn't be where I am now in life. I really appreciate this time at GPSED and all the experience I've made along the way. That being said, I feel that I've improved as a person and I've matured as a young adult. This experience has shown me what to expect now to better prepare for these challenges. My last piece of advice to the other students would be to get out to school on time and finish your assignments. Before those are due, good luck.